Okay, Paige, so this is the second report that I wanted to show you real quick, and it's showing a lot of data for all of MB Haynes's customers, for all the divisions, and what we're looking at is the actual revenue as updated from Spectrum. So you would have expected revenue, and then that's what you anticipate making on the job, but then you have actual revenue, which is the updated revenue coming from Spectrum for the change orders and everything else. And we're doing this by customer. Okay, and so what we're showing here is, now to get here, you go to the reports and analytics, sales and financial reports, and then go to sales report builder. And again, I'm logged in under you, and I saved this layout. And now I've got my customers and actual revenue and all date ranges. And there you go. Now you'll see that we have 678 customers over the time period. It's hard to see all on one page. So what you can do is we can export this to Excel. Okay. And I'm going to open this up in Excel down here on the bottom. And then now that I have that, I could easily sort by dollar amount. Okay. Actual revenue, largest to smallest. And there we go. Of course, the grand total isn't necessarily what we want in there at the top, but now we have the customers. We have 20 million, 19 million, all the way down right here. So that's your customers and the revenue they bring in. And you can do this by date range or just a specific division, or you could do it by job type as well, which would be quite interesting. So let me go ahead and save this for you, and I'll email it. Let's go ahead and see if we can't do this by job type. So let's move the customer out of the way here. And since we've got such a wide date range, it may take a little while. But now let's go ahead and put the job types in there. And there you go. So we can see revenue by job type, which I think is very handy. Export that to Excel as well. Okay. And there we go. We've got it by job type. And then maybe you could just say, I want division as well. Okay. So now you have division. Export that. Actually, I'm going to export this one to PDF. I like the PDFs better. Okay. Very nice. Looks very nice. Okay, and now we have, let's say, well, we want to look at individual jobs. So these are awarded jobs because we're in the sales report builder. And so what I want to do now is I want to take, I don't really care about all this, but I want to say I want the customer. Okay, we'll go ahead and put the customer there. I want the date the job was awarded. Bingo. Okay, and now that I know that, I want to know when the job is supposed to start. And remember, we're showing all dates here, so we've got a lot of data it's pulling in. And then I want to show, let's say, the actual job itself. So that's not on here, but we can add it. Oh, nope, there it is, right there, sorry. So put the job name right there. This should expand out into a lot of detail now, so it's showing each individual job. All right, well, there we go. We got customers. We've got 53 South LLC, 2 jobs in play, it looks like. One was awarded in January of this year, and one was awarded in November of last year. And you can see the job start dates and the amounts, which is really handy. So I hope you like this. I think it's a cool report. It just shows one example or yet another example of how we can build out reports for MB Haynes and allow you to save them. I'll go ahead and save this. And there you go, Paige. It'll be in there next time you log in. Thanks, Paige, and call me later.